Anchor's Happy Day! Why is it Happy Day?
Because today is the release of our new single,
Cold! Congratulations.
Congratulations to Horizon.
Horizon, yeah.
And of course, our anchors have been waiting so long for the release of Cold. Yeah. We're so excited that it's finally going to be out in the wild. Oh my gosh, there is something in the screen.
It's fine.
And I can't see
anything.
Yeah.
So
No, cannot join. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Mawala yung... Don't show for... Please, we do not know how to end this thing, but do not want to join. Do not join us.
It's fine.
Just join us by watching our music video in 25 minutes. Because it's going to be out on... YouTube.
Yeah.
All platforms. Yes. So, we're gonna watch the music video. I think some of y'all have probably watched it. I actually have not watched it because I was asleep. So this is gonna be a big moment.
Oh, you know, the summer.
Mali. Di ko kasi makita yung...
Mali.
Malinaw yung mukha mo.
Yeah.
It's fine. Hindi, I mean, baka malabo yung mata ko. Kasi
Baka malabo na yung mata mo.
Hindi ko makita yung mukha ko.
Eh, malayo kahit kami hindi din namin kita.
Hindi kayo dito namin.
I can see. Yan. Ito, malinaw.
Ayan, okay naman.
Okay, wait, we're talking about the song, like the Cold. Cold is actually written by me and Marcus. And information, we did not compose it. Okay, guys. As much as you want to think that we did not make the song, but we did write the lyrics for it. But we're working towards that, right?
Yeah, 100%.
So, but we did not compose it.
Yeah, so we did that like probably a month prior the concert we had last November. And what happened was, so at first I was meant to write Too Cool to Care and Cold, right?
Yeah.
And then time was passing, and then like I was like, okay, you know what? Kuya Vinci should hop on Cold, and then there it is, and then Cold finally happened, and yeah, let's go. You know, here we are now. Fast forward, March 2025.
Wow, that took some time.
We are here, and we're gonna watch the music video.
We really love listening to the demo of Cold, because first it was in Korean, but when they came to us to write the lyrics for it, they told us they wanted it in full English.
Yes.
So it is in full English. The whole song is in full English. And what inspiration? Did you have any inspiration while writing the lyrics?
So during Cold, obviously, Cold is about
what is Cold about?
Feelings. Okay, so Cold is all about feelings turning cold.
Okay. Yun muna.
Turning cold.
Tingnan natin yung ibang members kung ano yung feeling nila.
About Cold?
Oh yeah. Like, what do you think Cold is about sa lyrics?
Okay.
Jeremy.
Ba't ako na? Porque na...
Ikaw yung nasa tabi na!
I mean, like for me, yung Cold is like, about siya sa isang tao na like yung feeling siya sa isang tao is parang naging cold na.
Oh. Naramdaman mo na ba yun?
Yeah.
What? Kay Ali ka?
Yeah.
Sa kapatid mo. Kasi nung galing ka Korea, tapos pagbalik mo, hindi ka cold na siya. Oo nga, sabi niya nga sa akin. Tapos, pero nakilala ka naman ulit ni Ali ka.
We're spending time na lagi.
Aww.
Other members?
Winston.
Bakit
ako? Winston mo na! Magdadaan din naman sa inyo.
Hindi.
Kasi pag nauna
Kasi kung kayo sa akin eh.
Bongga daw yung sa akin.
Bongga. Kasi pag nasabi niyo na, hindi mo naman sasabi.
Okay lang.
Sa akin kasi based sa pagkakaintindi ko, based sa lyrics.
Go.
Sobrang, feeling ko, tulad din nga sabi ni Jeremy, it's about feelings na parang naging cold siya. Yun yung sabi.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Wow.
He just plagiarized Jiro.
Yeah, okay. So, Tyler, what do you think?
I give that a 5 out of 10.
Okay. Yung meaning ng Cold para sa akin is yung dating mga alaala niya na like may moment kayo na masaya kayo together, and tapos alam mo yun, yung sa isang iglap lang like parang nagbago yung lahat.
Parang same nung ano mo na.
Nagkano kayo lang, parang hindi na kayo nagpapansinan, gano'n. May something else na nangyari, gano'n. Yung something like that, yeah.
Yeah!
And parang mataas yung score niya.
Yeah.
Sa tingin mo, Marcus?
Yeah, that's good.
Emphasize yun
In
ng maayos,
in
Oo.
detail, man.
Oo,
Details.
okay, meron siyang original idea, di katulad nung bago sa kanya. Nakopia ng mouse.
Hindi kasi ganun talaga yung ano.
Okay.
Is it wrong though?
Diba, kaya ka maganda nauna ka kasi pag naunahan ka na, wala na.
Sabihin, gaya-gaya ka na.
Pero original mo pala talaga, ikaw yung gaya-gaya.
Bakit ako naka-enjoy ka?
Okay, ito na yung pinaka-bongga.
Bongga na, bongga!
Okay, palapakan.
Okay. Sa lines ko kasi, tawag ito, may ano siya, fantasy.
Wow.
Fantasy.
Ano yung fantasy natin?
Di ba yung
Power ba yun?
Fantasy.
sakto lang, pero napanood yung ata eh.
Anong may
Yung parang sa lines ko, lips to the man of Bernasi.
Eh!
Mates, wala akong pakikit.
Wala akong pakikit.
Wala akong
Oh my God!
Kasi avatar ka.
Okay, guys, the support ni Kim nga. I wrote that part. I wrote that part. Lips blue no matter what I say. Like you have cold lips. Like whatever comes out of the person's mouth, it's like it's cold. Like the, you know, there's you may hint of like wala na yung word, kumbaga.
Yeah.
So yung interpretation ni Kim.
Avatar.
Kaya sabi dun, those eyes are warm like the sun before.
Yeah.
Hindi man lang Smurf. Avatar.
Maraming pumasok sa isip ko na
pero
masabi. Hindi kasi ako sa phone niya.
Matangkad kasi si Winston, kaya avatar.
Tapos nga Kim Smurf. Siya yung naisip ko. Kasi di ba lagi siya nag-avatar.
Ay, oo nga. Siya nga yung mahilig mag-avatar.
Avatar.
Pero ibang avatar yun.
Oo.
Dalawa kasi avatar. Di ba, may avatar, yung may araw siya sa ulo. Tapos meron yung avatar na kulit yung mga evolve. Gusto mo
Yung avatar, kalbo na isa. Tapos may araw sa
Parang may akto kalito. Yung ginaya nila.
Oo, yung kasi ba?
Ang cute! Nakita ko nga yun, napanood ko nga yun. One Piece.
Apocalypto.
Okay, we're tracking off. Anyways, okay, ito, Q&A for our anchors. Saan nyo tingin shoot namin yung music video?
Yeah.
Where did we shoot that?
Any guesses, guys? Any guesses?
MOA. Can
Someone
you
said
say what MOA is?
Like,
People are saying MOA.
lahat, like in detail, dapat masabi.
Yeah, full name.
Bawal yung...
Mainit yan eh.
MOA.
So with your answers, say your name, age, and height, tapos your answer.
SMO Sky.
Oh wow.
That's not...
SMO?
What is MOA?
Yeah, what is that?
Ano what is
What does it
SMOA?
mean? This is a quiz, bro.
You need to like lahat.
Hi. Hi. Wow, ang Asia, walang S.
Walang SM. Mali.
Walang ba nagsasabi ng SMO of Asia?
There it is.
Ayun!
Meron isa.
Yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations.
We did it. We shot it
At SM Mall
of Asia with wearing bench.
It's like today we wear a bench.
Special thanks to Bench because they provided the clothes for the concept photos and of course the music video. So we appreciate that. And Bench is nice, you know. I love their clothes. I really love.
Yeah.
So really appreciate that. Bench X Horizon, guys. Let's go.
Yeah. What was your first reaction when you saw the MV teaser, guys?
To those who nakakita kanina.
No, the teaser.
The teaser was yesterday.
Yeah.
Saan ba ang music?
MV teaser.
Teaser.
Okay.
Yeah. So what did y'all think about the teaser?
What was your first reaction? Excited po. Oh, thank you. Di ko pa na CBC. It's fine. Now you are not busy. And in... How many minutes is that?
Ilang minutes nang ba?
Kailan ba i-release yung ano?
So in 60
minutes na
minutes.
lang.
6 minutes.
16
16 minutes.
Yes.
Bago i-release?
Yeah.
5 p.m.
Wow!
Wow, original.
Before I go to sleep.
Hi,
Wait,
baby.
may gusto pa kaya ako ngayon yung 20s.
On you!
The ice cream is...
Guys, pero
Now I'm feeling so cold.
Yay! We're feeling very, very cold. We have ice cream.
Don't get a kiss goodnight, baby.
Oh, love it. kuya?
It's the pan, this the toast with
Sa'yo?
Hindi, sa atin yun. Sa atin lahat yan.
With ice cream.
Yung parang sinasawsawan.
Kasi nasoso yung ice cream.
Ay, palam.
Yo, it's toasted
siopaw. Toasted siopaw.
Wala lang siya pa, wala lang.
Pusa. Ay, joke lang.
Lagi mong may gustong
Guys, take your spoons.
Ngayon, later.
Kaya,
Pagkalabas
ng ano.
We have 15 minutes more para meron tayong grand. Ayun, sige, kids ba? Kasi matigas pa din to, di ba? So, hindi pa natin makakain. So, yeah. What more are they saying? Kim, you're glowing.
Wow!
Kaya gusto lang din yung pumalit ng pwesto sa akin.
Lights din na light.
Okay guys, since we have ice cream here, I'll ask you guys what's your favorite
What's your favorite?
flavor
Okay.
sa mga ice cream?
Ikaw muna. Ano sa'yo?
Mine
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Pwede
Chocolate.
3 in 1 plus 1. Kape.
Actually, yes.
Kape? Pistachio?
Actually,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Actually,
Chocolate bar!
And you? Biscoff. Biscoff.
Ano yun?
Ano siya? Biscuit. Parang biscuit.
Brand siya ng cookie ba?
Yeah.
Cookie.
Nasa masarap.
It tastes like
Parang
cookie dough.
Nasa...
Yeah, I like cookies and cream.
Oh yeah, cookies and cream.
ako pistachio. Oh, I just ate this. Pero hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga matalas. Hindi ako.
Ikaw?
Ano yung akin?
Matcha.
Wow!
Wala sa sinabi ko.
Si Winston.
Ako yung sasagot eh. Sinagot mo na.
Ay, matcha ka ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Handshake niyo yan.
Handshake.
So parehas kayo
Handshake.
matcha lovers?
Hindi.
Ah.
Ano ako, dark chocolate tsaka ube.
Oo.
Ay, dalawa! Sabi isa! Tinanong ka ba niya? Tinanong ka ba niya?
Isa lang.
Isa lang, oo. Pero sinabi niya
Dalawa.
Sorry na wala.
Lubos-lubos
Ube
si Winston
talaga.
talaga.
Ube.
Grabe.
Hindi, pero chocolate favorite ni Winston.
Kasi nag-chocolate na siya, so kailangan.
Si Richard, ang favorite niya?
Strawberry.
Pistachio.
Joke lang.
Cookies and cream kasi panda.
Ice Americano.
Let's just do that. Maybe kissing.
Pero nung last, ano yun?
I think we mentioned sometime before.
Right.
Kayo ba guys? What's your favorite?
Tomato flavor. Yeah.
Wow!
Ano ba yun?
Meron ba?
I mean, may tilapia nga eh.
Eh?
Ah?
Oo. Search yung may tilapia flavor na ice cream.
Wow.
Yup.
Pero gusto ko matry yan.
May durian ice cream din.
Chicken flavor.
Fish ice cream.
Yeah, tilapia flavor.
Sarap lang yun.
Hindi ba maano yun? Taransa?
Oo, ganun naman. Maalat-alat.
Malamig.
Oh, dark chocolate. Actually, dark chocolate.
Malamig na.
Ano yung nuts?
Rocky Road.
Red Velvet.
Double Dutch.
Yeah, double dutch.
Na ano yung cake?
Yun yung favorite na Easter, tinanong ko siya.
Cake
Sa cake lang, sa cake. Cake
nga.
Ice cream nga, we're going to
Ice cream cake kasi.
ice cream.
Pwede naman yun ah.
Hindi pa ako nakakain ng ice cream.
Basta 0 calories.
Eh, ang sarap ng ice cream. Natry ko. Choco naman. Masarap.
Choco na ba ito?
Wow!
Wow!
Vanilla's really good too.
Yeah, I love vanilla.
So yeah, it's really good.
Mga perfume din.
Perfume. Yeah, perfume flavor is good too.
Perfume!
Meron.
Nakakain nga?
Pero it's weird kasi perfume is like like smell version ng taste. Diba? Parang binibase nila sa taste. So, why magkakaroon ng perfume flavor kung yung whole purpose ng perfume is to atomize yung flavor?
What are your guys? What are your thoughts on a choco?
Yo, no!
Yeah, it tastes like ice cream, dude.
Mint choco. Lagi pagka napupunta ako sa isang ice cream shop, meron silang 31 flavors. Pero pagpunta ko, isa na lang daw kasi nasold na yung lahat. Tapos natitira lang yung chocolate because no one buys that.
Chocolate.
Some people buy.
What ice cream would you not eat? Oh, may spicy ice cream din.
Never. Imagine cold plus spicy.
Yun nga.
That's interesting.
Well, that's Ningyo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my favorite.
Okra ice cream.
Okra ice cream?
Meron.
Basta
Pero kung yung businessman to, ang dami niyang naisip ng mga
Pwede nga yun eh.
product.
Kangkong ice cream.
Kangkong chips.
Kung ice.
10 minutes na lang, guys!
Oh my god!
Oh my God!
10, 9, 8 minutes pa.
9 minutes.
Punta tayo sa graduation ni S4V underscore. Sige, punta kami April. Let's go.
Sobrang Latin.
Sobrang Latino.
Tunto ako sa term yun.
Sobrang Latina, guys.
Sinasabi ka na rin sa mga lalaki.
Latino.
Latina pa rin.
Latino.
Oo. Does Cold have a fan chant? I mean, you could...
Just sing along the hook part. That's
Yeah, which we will show now.
Yeah, okay, ready?
Okay, yeah. Are you guys ready to show that?
Yes.
Okay.
Where do we start?
How did I feel?
Okay,
Go to 5, 6, 7, how did I...
Okay, ready?
5, 6, 7, how did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile and kiss me, chills, it takes one touch to make my body know. Hey!
Double speed.
5, 6, 7, how did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills, it takes one touch to make my body know.
Slow-mo.
5, how did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Hey! Gravity!
Yes. So, look out for that fan chat, guys. During our performance, please. Sing along, sing along. Namamansin daw mga pogi. Hello po.
Hi!
Hello guys. Hello. Yan. Yan.
Si Kim, sino ka-chat ba ni Kim?
Saan i-release?
YouTube. I love the rap parts.
Sa YouTube, guys, YouTube.
Oh, ay, Guys, pero alam nyo, yung MV ng Cold, super init.
Sobra.
Pero mukhang malamig, no? Yeah. Mas malamig yung Lucky.
Yeah, sana.
Kasi sa Lucky, we shot in South Korea. But dito, sa Pilipinas, and grabe yung sky. What do you call it? The sky?
Sky
Sky Park. Is this a Sky Park, right?
Yeah,
It's
that's
a Sky Park, which has the football field of that was unused back.
Yeah.
We were the first.
One to ever.
Yeah,
Hindi pa nilalabas, guys.
Kasi off, ano siya, off limits pa siya.
Close off pa siya. But now I think people can go na ata ngayon eh.
Yeah, and play football.
Yeah, so you can actually see where we shot it at is at the center, the sides, like the whole place. And the whole MOA, if you go to MOA, you can just be like, oh. Well, okay, we have a challenge for you guys. We want you guys to recreate the music video. Go to SM Mall of Asia.
Oh yeah.
Go to the scenes, go to the locations where we shot the music video and remake your own. And we will gladly repost and
Yes.
we will give you,
Like we'll rate it.
we'll rate it, we're
Yeah.
gonna do content with it.
Yes.
If someone can do a music video, like
Yes.
get 7 people,
Yeah.
be Marcus,
Yes.
be Jiro, be Vinci, be Racer, be Winston,
Yes,
be
and-
Kyler and Kit.
You can do like the cover of the dance because it's very
Yeah,
simple.
it's very simple.
So you can do it.
And then when you cover the dance, make sure you mention us.
Yes.
Makita na.
Ako ganun magalit.
Sorry Yeah. Gets nyo ba yung ganito, guys?
Your so
Yeah, it's a small detail. So gumaganda ako kay 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
and it's cool kasi parang
Yeah.
diba? So your
Di ba ganda?
Tapos dapat ganun.
Yeah, so... Teka, cha. Kasi iba ba ito na? Cha.
Paano bumato si Winston?
Huwag naman! Huwag naman, Ray!
Hindi na rumibad si Winston.
Ano daw?
Hindi na rumember.
Hindi na rumibad. Inayaan niya na lang. Yun na lang.
Hindi, magbago na ako talaga. People change.
Jiro
Pass
Dang
is pass ka mo.
Jiro Dang cover.
Soon.
Soon. Maganda yung dance break doon.
Yung ba
Yung super sakit sa tuhod din.
Oo, yung parang natatapi lang.
SB19 yung. Wow.
Okay guys.
Good luck to your knees.
Anong pakiramdam?
I can't do that. I can't.
4 minutes, guys.
Uy, ang galing nito mag-blend. Yeah, like I felt the bass, you know?
Wow.
One more direction nilang gagawin.
Guys,
Eh,
4
may nahulog.
minutes left.
Nahulog na bato.
Sorry, nakita ko yung may filter ako. may duck sa
May duck.
Oh, funny. Sorry. Daling. Hi pa.
Dailing.
Ay nagigiling-giling.
That's the wrong song. Oh, maybe it's stemmed from that. Diba? Sige, igiling.
Batas tayo ng
Maybe it's like inspired by that.
Yeah, that's amazing. Wow.
We need our own take on that. Yeah.
We should, yeah.
I mean, spaghetti, giling.
3 minutes na lang, guys.
Yeah, I'm not good.
3 minuto.
Okay. Inintay lang namin matuloy yung ice cream talaga sa una namin, bro.
We're just waiting for the ice cream.
When? Next slide.
Ayan, may isa. May
Hindi pa tapos nung live na ito. Hindi na yung next. Wait lang, guys. Ito muna tayo.
Hello.
But what do you guys wanna do? Wanna see? And we have, we had collabs. Kasi we, it's been a long time since Cold was actually out to the world. But not on streaming platforms and music video at all. Like, we performed it during our last concert sa Moa Arena. It was November 3. And we performed it there alongside our other new single, Too Cool to Care. And that is also going to be very soon. But we don't know what soon means.
And
it could mean 6 months or less.
It could be next year.
It could be next year.
But one thing's for sure, it's gonna be out.
Yeah, it's gonna be out.
It's
And yeah, we're excited to do that too because it's something that is a contrast of what we're going to be doing now. Because Cold is very chill and it's probably one of our most chillest songs.
It
I mean,
is.
of course, except for the ballads like Salamat and Mama.
Yeah.
Cold is one of the most easy songs.
And just like easy in general, like the
Oh.
dance, because it's just all about like just chill, like vibes.
Yeah, we could just like have so much fun doing it because we don't sweat and everything. So I hope when we go out and we go out to perform Cold, you guys will be there. And yeah, it's gonna be out in 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Open the ice cream.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What flavor is it?
Ito ay salted caramel.
Guys,
May chocolate, pre!
Thank you sa mga nagtatap-tap, guys.
Chocolate, yung parang
I love you guys.
Oh.
Tap-tap the screen.
Wow.
Yung mga nagsasend ng
Doon ako sa
heart,
chocolate.
sa mga gifts.
Wait,
Thank you, guys.
mamaya. Guys, kinagin yung mga spoon niyo. Guys, ang
Si ano?
Walang-wala, pre.
Si...
Sorry.
Bigyan natin. Yung
Iyak na siya!
Ito.
Bigyan natin ng next
Ito para...
Oo, hindi na kayo register.
Okay, Fair Easter Spoon is there with you guys.
Uy, expired na.
Hey! Grabe!
Yan na, 5 na!
Uy!
Lahat tayo dyan!
Okay, wait, let's do ano.
Hindi,
3, 2, 1. Hold this out!
Okay.
Okay. Hold this out, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Hold this out!
Let's go!
Ice cream eating part. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
You're my phone!
Grabe, parang nakataka sa ano eh.
Oh, amazing.
Sarap.
Wow, amazing. Sobrang Latina.
Ano yung pagkain?
Siopaw. Prime siopaw. Ito pa, next one.
Chocolate flavor.
Okay, next. Salted caramel.
Ha?
Okay, make two.
Okay.
Ano naman? Tagalog version. Labas na ang...
Labas na!
Labas na sa kalamig. Okay. Labas na. 1, 2, 3.
Labas na ang
kalamig!
Yung nag-show pa, hindi nag-ice cream. Grabe.
Wow. Very salty. It tastes like parang...
Parang patis.
Parang...
You need to stop.
Guys, we're going to be watching a music video. We haven't watched it. Well, I have.
I haven't.
They haven't.
Yeah.
I've watched the music video. I have. And me too. Yeah, we're gonna be watching.
Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Watch the music video now. Watch it now.
So good.
Wow.
So good. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Lumakita mo mga kamar. Ayan guys. Bye-bye guys. Love you.
Bye-bye!
Thank you guys sa mga nanood, sa mga nag-share and follow, and good luck. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Thank you sa gifts. Thank you sa gifts. Sa mga nag-tap-tap.
Tap, 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 tap.